All right, number 6. In a recent study reported October 29, 2012 on the Flurry blog, the mean average of tablet users is 34 years, standard deviation is 15 years, sample size is 50. What are the mean and the standard deviation for the sum of the ages of tablet users? What is the distribution? Okay, so we are going to find the mean of sums, and we do that n times mu to the x, and then we will find the standard deviation for the sums, square root of n times standard deviation. So first we should write out what we are given. The mean is 34, standard deviation is 15, the sample size is 50. I write this out, oops, x. So I have all this information at my fingertips, times 34, 50 times 15. Okay, so n is 50 times 34. 50 times 34 is 1700. Then the square root of 50 times 15 is going to give me my standard deviation of sums, which is square root of 50 times 15, but I want to go back and close that parentheses like that. I get 106.07. All right, it says, what's the distribution? Well, because I already know we're using the central limit theorem for the sums, the distribution is normal, right? This gives us a normal distribution. B says, find the probability that the sum of the ages is between 1500 and 1800 years. So we are finding the probability that the sum is between 1500 and 1800. So the 1500 is our lower value, the 1800 is our upper value, and all we're going to do, normal CDF in our calculator. Since I've already calculated these values up here, the sum of the means, the sum of the standard deviations, I'm going to use those values, make it easy on myself. Second distribution, go down here, 1500, 1800, 1700, 106.07, close parentheses, and I get 0.7974. So there is a 79.74% probability that the sum of the ages are between 1500 and 1800 years. C says, find the 80th percentile for the sum of the 50 ages. So what we're going to do, we're going to let K equal the 80th percentile. We're going to use the inverse norm. Inverse norm, we use 0.80. We're going to use our value up here for the mean of the sums, 1700, and then 106.07. And let's see what we get when we put this in our calculator. Second distribution down to inverse norm. Hopefully by now this is almost second nature, 106.07. Okay, 1789.27. So the 80th percentile is at 1789.27.